Now the host range. We have already studied about the range of the size of the virus. Similarly, we have studied the structure, different range of the structures of the viruses are present. Now the interesting fact is the host range. Host range means the spectrum of the host cells that a virus can infect. It is actually the viruses are viruses have contains the biggest host range. They can infect the plants, they can infect the human beings, they can infect the animals. So they have their host range is quite big. For example, we will give this example. This is we have given the example of the bacteriophages. Bacteriophage structure. Bacteriophages are such kind of viruses which can infect the bacteria. So what kind of bacteria they are affecting, their name will be just according to it. This is I think TA4 bacteria, and its structure is quite different. There are coil shaped DNA inside it. The host range refers to the spectrum of the host cells in which a virus can multiply. So because the virus needs the host cells for its replication, for its reproduction, so the most viruses infect only specific type of cells in one's host species. This is called host specificity. That most of the viruses, they are the species specific. They can only infect that specific species for which they are made. They will not affect the other species. The viruses which are infecting one kingdom, they will not infect the other kingdom of the viruses. Similarly, if the viruses are infecting or causing the disease in one tissue or in one cell, they will not cause the disease in other tissues. Host range is determined by the specific attachment size on site on the host cell's surface and the availability of host cellular factors. Viruses that infect bacteria are called bacteriophages or only phages. For example, if some virus is causing the disease in bacteria or that can infecting the bacteria of TA4, then it will called TA4 bacteriophage. Such kind of viruses are very important, and we are using them for different kind of disease controlled for the bacteria. For example, some kind of viruses which are not causing any kind of disease in the human beings. If the bacteria, for example TA4, is causing some disease in the human beings or it's causing some disease in the animals, so we can use that virus which can kill the bacteria, and then this will also be called the biological control. Viral host range. So viruses have the quite big and versatile kind of host range. They are capable of infecting plants, they are capable of infecting vertebrates, they are capable of infecting invertebrates. They can also infect the protist, they can infect the bacteria, they can infect the fungi, they can infect the parasites. So they have quite big range of the host. They need to be replicate inside the body of the host. So the different kind of hosts are available for them, including the plants, animals, invertebrates, protists, bacteria, and fungi. So most of the viruses are host specific. It means that they are just causing the disease in that special kind of the host. They can be also the species specific, they can also be the genera specific, they can also the tissue specific, they can also can be the cellular specific. So in this is they are here we can see that they are the host specific. They will only cause the disease in that specific host and not the other relevant species the host. Bind to specific receptors on the cells. The specificity also depends on the special receptors which are present on the cells, whether the specific virus can attach to those receptors or not. If the virus is capable of attaching those special receptors, then they will be capable of inducing the disease and attacking that specific host. If they are not capable of the special receptors, then they will not cause the disease, they will not enter inside that specific host body. For example, if we take the example of the animal viruses, the receptors are present on the plasma membranes, and the specific viruses are attack those plasma membranes and cause the disease.